Hello everyone, today we are talking about lingual orthodontics. By related basis in the traditional standard, lingual orthodontics offers a highly aesthetic alternative by placing the hardware on the palatal and lingual surface of the teeth. But beyond just aesthetics, the biomechanics, the evolution of the hardware, and the bonding protocols make this one of the most technically demanding and fascinating branches of our field. To understand lingual ortho today, we have to look at how it evolved. First and second generations. Introduced in the late 1970s, these early brackets were essentially modified lateral brackets. They were bulky, causing significant tongue irritation and required complex mushroom-shaped archways to compensate for the varying thickness of the lingual tooth and third generation. This era supported custom-made braces. However, the brackets themselves were still standard, meaning the orthodontist still had to rely heavily on wire. Fourth generation and beyond. Today we are in the era of fully customized CAD or CAM systems like Incognito or Elias. Not only is the bracket base perfectly contoured to the patient's specific lingual anatomy, but the bracket slot and the archways are completely custom-made or bent by robots. Because direct vision and access are severely restricted on the lingual side, the way we bond these brackets is fundamentally different. Direct bonding. While possible, direct bonding is rarely used in lingual orthodontics. Second is the indirect bonding. This is the gold standard. The brackets are first positioned on the plaster model or a digital setup in the laboratory. A custom transfer tray, usually made of silicon or vacuum formed clear plastic, is then fabricated over the brackets. Clinically, the tooth is set and primed. The tray is seated on the mouth, and all the brackets are mounted simultaneously and accurately. It saves tear pain and ensures precision. In conclusion, lingual orthodontics is a true test of an orthodontist skill. From understanding the varying generation of brackets designs to mastering the technique-sensitive indirect bonding procedure. It requires precision at every step. It's a brilliant fusion of advanced digital dentistry and biomechanics, offering patients an invisible path of perfection. Thank you.